Hi friends, thanks for clicking and welcome back to the grammar lesson. I'm Malinder. In this lesson, you are going to learn about difference between question word what and which. Specifically, you will learn when to use question word what and when to use question word which. Okay, is there a difference? Yes, of course. You will identify the difference between question words what and which very easily once I explained it. Okay, let's figure out. First of all, let's go through some example to identify difference between these question words what and which. Look at this example. What color do you like? Which color do you like? Okay, do we say what color do you like or should we say which color do you like? What is the correct? Yes, here we would usually say what color do you like? Let's figure out why. Because here we are asking this question out of all the colors in the world. What color do you like? Here choices are very broad or very general. Remember, we use question word what to talk about general questions or very wide or broad questions. That is to say, your answer can be something out of many options. There is no limited choices. Okay, everyone. Now let's consider these examples. Look at these examples. What color do you prefer, red or blue? Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Okay, everyone. Can you find out the correct sentence from these given two examples? Okay, here which color do you prefer, red or blue is the correct sentence. Okay, let's find out why. Because here we use this question to ask one color out of two choices, red and blue. Here choices are not very broad, not very wide. There are two choices, red and blue. You have to find out one choice out of these two choices. So choices are limited, not wide. It's much more specific when we use which to ask question. But when we use what, it's more general. Okay, everyone, this is the predominant difference between question word what and which. Remember again, what we use to ask question in general, it means choices are very broad, but which we use to ask question it specifically, we have limited option or limited choices. Hello everyone, let's look at my example to identify difference between question word what and which. Okay, look at these examples. Look at the first example. What movie do you want to see? Okay, here we use question word what because we ask this question in general. There are so many movies in the world, so we are going to select one out of these lot of options, many options. Here choices is not limited, so therefore we use word what. Okay, look at the next one. Which movie do you want to see? Batman or Spider-Man? Okay, here we have limited choices, so we have two choices, Batman and Spider-Man. We are going to select one out of these two. We have limited choices, so therefore we use which. In this question we ask in specifically because specifically you are going to select one out of these two. Okay, look at the next one. What would you like to learn? Here we use what because here also choices are not limited, and also there are so many things to learn in the world, so there are many options, so therefore we use word what. And also this question we ask in general. Okay, look at the next one. Which class do you prefer, music or art? Okay, here we use which because we have limited option, music and art. There are two options, we are going to select one out of these two. We have limited option, we use which. Specifically we use this question to get answer. Okay, look at the next one. Which book is yours? Here also we use which because a speaker have some books in his hand, and also he asks which book is yours. So here also we have limited choices. Okay, look at the next one. Which train did you come? Here listener perhaps know the answer because he has already come by train. Here, so he know the answer. Which train did he come? So here also answer is not very broad capacity, it's limited. Okay, look at the next one. What kind of computer do you want? Okay, here we use what because there are so many brands in the world of computers, so therefore there are many options, so options are very broad, so therefore we use what and ask it in general. Okay, everyone, In this lesson I mentioned about what is the difference between which and what. Okay, I hope that you learned something about how to use correctly question word which and what. Thank you for joining with us. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.